Okay. So notice what we notice. I noticed a scar here. I noticed that there was a potential Achilles injury. So if I'm checking Achilles tension, then it might be affected on the left side, right? That has caused the posterior fibula on the left side. I imagine former athlete. What sport did you play?
Soccer.
I was gonna say soccer. Cool. I could have been way wrong though. All right. So I don't know exactly. Did you have a knee injury as well, or no?
No, that was like I literally scraped my ankle on a box, like.
Oh.
Not any.
Okay, so just maybe some scar tissue. Yeah, but we have posterior fibula and we have a superior rocked sacrum on the left side, which is creating compression again at the L1, L2. We were discussing earlier, if I'm feeling like there is compression of a lumbar, and then I go to unwind the pelvic distortion and the lumbar releases, that means our pelvic distortion or subluxation is the primary. If I'm feeling the compression at a lumbar and I go to unwind the sacrum or the ilium and it doesn't release, then your lumbar is the primary. Pretty fucking straightforward, huh? Mm-hmm. Okay, this side up for me. So hers released when I compress the sacrum down. So that means that we're gonna take the sacrum P to A, S to I, and then I'll look. So these like little baby drops are looking for the various vectors. So for her, as soon as I put my chest there, that was way better. So I know I'm gonna take it this way. Go back to your stomach and I'll double check. Sometimes I'll skip the whole roll to prone because I hear it. Again, if you're listening to them, like both the spine release and them, you kind of know. But I mean, that sounded sweet. And let's go ahead and recheck the L1, L2. So there's still a little bit there. So this again is more superficial, so it's more of the anterior thoracolumbar fascia that's being distorted, causing a compression of the L1, L2. That's a slight superior shift and a PL. So it's a PLS, and I will pull. This side up. My pulls look different. They're in the majority. So a lot of people, when they see pull, like traditionally, it's a kick move. I never really liked the kick moves personally. I think they can be done really awesome, but I prefer this. So I'll first compress in to the L1, L2. Then what I'm doing is, because there's a superior shift, it's just a little counterclockwise. What that's doing is I'm getting that connection to that actual vertebral joint. This counterclockwise is now getting the opening S to I through the joint, which is causing a slight rotation downward on the left aspect of the joint using the fascia. Then when it's a pull, I'll allow the arms to stay here as the pelvis drops first until I feel that contact underneath my hand. And then I continue together as a group, and then I adjust in a way that allows the hip to continue and pull here. All right, stop. Sweet. Continue this way. This is kind of more of an earth drop, so I'll just lean my body in. All right, so we have a fire application, which is a generation. So you're using triceps, pec, fire. You also have this earth drop where you stack your joints and lean your body in. On your back.
How do you determine which one's moving?
I talk a little bit about it on Kairos Training Culture Community. I just posted 2 videos there. It's a free group to be a part of. It's on Facebook. So if you want more detailed information, I can go there. Yeah. There's 2 10-minute videos that you can check out. Okay. Okay. So C2. And she has a little bit of instability at the C1, C2, so we really need to make sure this goes C2 on C3, just on the right side. Relax. There you go. She's going to help me a little bit. My speed don't need your help.
How did you determine that she had instability at C1, C2?
As soon as I went to turn her head, there's a little bit of cavitation upwards. So she's slightly, I don't say, yeah. There's a lot more mobility at the C1, C2 than there is to C2, C3. So I really didn't want to make sure I did not want to get C1, C2. I want to get the C2 on C3. All right, there you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome.